Good morning, students. As in the last class, we have completed the cleaner production objective and everything. Today, we need to start with the application of renewable energy. For that, first, we must know what are the renewable energy sources, some examples of renewable energy sources, which renewable sources do we use like that. Okay? Here, one case study I took from the UK renewables. As we know, what are our renewable resources? First is the wind turbines or wind energy. In this diagram, certain basic things are there, and the formula of energy conservation and everything is there, which was missed in the last sustainable engineering, your last semester subject. That's why I added this. See, turbines में क्या होता है? Propeller blades होती है, containing generators होते हैं, towers होते हैं. And the wind forms जो रहती है, वो strong winds रहती है. Clean hilltops used to be there with the turbines in prevailing winds and directions used to be there. No need to draw this. You need to make this diagram. क्या टावर कहाँ है, कंटेनर जनरेटर कहाँ है, पॉपुलर ब्लेड कहाँ है. Wind farm में what is our requirement? Strong wind used to be there, clear hilltop used to be there, and turbines in prevailing wind direction. That is the basic requirement. Okay. Now moving ahead with this is a formula for the power. The amount of power the electricity wind turbine can produce largely is based on the wind velocity. That is 1/2 rho A V Q. Rho is air density, A is a swept area, that is pi r square, V is a velocity. The power is measured in the watt. Fine, I hope you have written. Now second comes इसमें ये वही फॉर्मूला वही की वही है. फाइन. ये कुछ आंकड़े यूके के दिए हैं कि 9,220 wind turbines with a capacity of 20.1 gigawatt जो रहती है, that is the largest produced wind है. और 2017 में 17% यूके electricity was generated from the power. So 29% of renewables in the total it is going to be there. Now comes solar. सोलार में अगेन वी ऑल नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर, बट सबसे लार्जेस्ट प्लांट जो है वो जर्मनी में बना है विद द कैपेसिटी ऑफ 25.7 मेगावाट. दैट इज एन एनर्जी पार्क इन वेवरिनिया स्वेबिया, जर्मनी. दैट प्लांट इज देयर. सी, इसमें भी ये डायग्राम मेन है. दैट आई रिकमेंड यू टू ड्रॉ. दैट थर्मल सोलर पैनल्स आर यूज्ड टू जनरेट हीट energy. Photovoltaic PV cells made up from the silicon, that is turn sunlight directly into electricity, and 3.4% of total electricity is going to generate by solar PV in the UK 2017. That is exactly the 29% of renewables. What the diagram is predicting, वो जो plates हम लगाते हैं solar plates, वो N type और P type silicons की होती है. Sun rays are putting here is electrons moving ahead and the electricity is going to be generated. Conducting plates ये रहती हैं जिसमें negative free electrons और positive holes. That both is going to be there. When sun rays used to implant on these plates, these electrons used to move ahead and produce electricity in this manner. Negative ions goes here, positive ions comes, that is positive ions are going to be the holes here. Right, the diagram is main, बाकी PV cell वगैरह लिखो नहीं लिखो चलेगा. Now after this, solar panels are expensive. You need a lot of installation timing and the setups used to be there. Now third one is a geothermal. Geothermal, basically the plant is used to be in a heat energy from the earth, decay of radioactive elements and residual heats from the planetary formation is going to be there nearby 4.5 billion years ago. Water is pumped down into the hot rock where it is going to be heated. Steam can then be used to heat buildings directly or to the generate electricity by the spinning or a turbine. ये आइसलैंड का एक पावर स्टेशन हमने जियोथर्मल बताया है जिसमें ये इस तरह से इम्प्लीमेंट बेसिक होता ये प्रोसेस है उसमें. ये तो जस्ट बेसिक स्टेशन में किस तरह से क्या हो रहा है वो है. So what geothermal is doing, heat energy from the earth is going to be produced and this is a way how it moves to be like injection well is there, cold water we used to put and water heater is heated, is going to heat process is processed here, hot water comes here and produce the heat and that goes to the turbines and generators. This is a cooling tower and by that it is producing the electricity python and homes and buildings में हमारे जाता है. This I recommend you to draw. ठीक है. नाउ आफ्टर जियोथर्मल हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक पावर प्लांट्स होते हैं, ये जनरली डैम्स के पास में होते हैं. तो हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक पावर हार्नेस क्या करते हैं, काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ रनिंग वाटर. द वाटर फ्लोज डाउन टुवर्ड्स द ग्रेविटी टू द स्पिन टर्बाइन. This is my generator and turbines are used to be there. And hydroelectric dams are very expensive and can harm wildlife also. And it require huge investment and time also. In that, don't make in this way diagram. You can make the hydroelectric dam reservoir water is coming and how the turbine and generator is producing and doing. 705 gigawatt per year produce होती है. This is a Banax is a biofuel. Biofuel is directly comes from the plants or from the waste. UK sources of this is wheat or the cooking oil is going to be there. In biofuel, biothenol and biodiesel you also used to be there. What is biothenol? That I just recommend you to write down. Biothenol used for the fuel as a petrol additive to increase the octane and lower carbon emission. And biodiesel used as a fuel and used to reduce the level of particulates and the carbon monoxide in diesel power. Right. That is going to be there. Just write down this biothermal or biodiesel. फाइन बायोफिल तो यूके का कुछ फिगर इन्होंने दिया है. केस स्टडीज वगैरह हमें नहीं पढ़ना है इसमें. ब्राजील और इन सब की दी है. मेन क्राइटेरिया, my main purpose is just to let you know like renewable energy sources application. Before that you must know just a revision sort of geothermal, hydroelectric power, biofuels, wind power, solar energy, that is going to be there. That's it for general introductions. Now it comes the application of renewable energy sources. In that, what we mean by renewable energy sources, that is it derived from the natural process that the replenish constantly, and it is various forms and variations. And the particular forms of renewable sources are solar, hydropower plants, geothermal and all. Mainly जो applications इसकी जो है renewable energy sources in different sectors जो है, that is transport sector, agriculture, industrial, domestic energy. This I just suggest you to write down. इसके अंदर तो तुम लिख लोगे, एटलीस्ट तुम्हें पता रहेगा कि इसमें करना क्या क्या है, तो फिर तो ये हो जाएगा. Now see how in a transport sector, the challenges of alternative fuels is a primary and economic ones. Although there are volumetric cost of methanol and everything is going to be there. Means transport में basically how your renewable sources application is used to be there. Biofuels से जो bioethanol और bio diesel produce हो रहे हैं, that is going to be helpful in this. And we should be use biofuel in place of fossil fuels and all that brings the modification in the transport. Renewable में agriculture में generally we believe on the wind, solar and biomass as energy. It provides overview of renewable energy that is going to be there in the source of energy and ruler in the wind power and agriculture. Wind energy alone could provide $1.2 billion in a new income for farmers and rural land donors and everyone. Farmers can get benefit from the wind energy in many ways, including the generating their own power, leasing land to the wind developers and all. One wind turbine uses only 1/4 acres of the land, and that is going to be there. Agriculture में वो ये solar energy is clean and emitted. Fine. This is the way that is a farmhouse. This is agricultural land और इस तरह से ये plates यहाँ पे हम solar की लगा देते हैं. Domestic में तो how we can use that is an solar cooking stove, solar geyser, solar heater. ये सब यूज करके हम हमारा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल भी सेव कर सकते हैं और यूटिलाइजेशन भी हो सकता है इसका. There are so many more things by which we can save the electricity power at our home by the solar cookers as the safe around the children and provide the great way to learn about the use of solar energy like that. Industrial sectors mein to everywhere you go there is a renewable sources nowadays that is that should be used in the power generator. Industry should be generate which can store the chemical energy and all. Machine should be designed in such a way that it is a solar energy. और कई इंडस्ट्रीज में इवन इन आवर भीलवाड़ा ऑल्सो दे आर यूजिंग दैट सोलार प्लेट्स एंड ऑल. वाइंड टर्बाइंस का तो जैसा अपने यहाँ का लोकेशन नहीं है तो अपन नहीं कर सकते. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस यू नीड टू बी अंडरस्टैंड. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, इसके अलावा एक और अपने पास जो एप्लीकेशन पॉइंट जो है वो ये है कि एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेज का इकोनॉमिक, एनवायरमेंट और सोशल सस्टेनेबिलिटी में हाउ इट एनकाउंटर्स. अभी तक हमने सबसे फर्स्ट वाले उसमें क्या पढ़ा, व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी. सेकंड में एप्लीकेशन में डोमेस्टिक, एग्रीकल्चर, इंडस्ट्री, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, एवरीवेयर देयर इज अ नीड ऑफ दिस. That is the same thing. What are my renewable sources? These are my renewable sources. Fine. This diagram is a main for sustainable development. We can say and how these renewable sources, sustainable sources are helping social, environment and economical issue. See, when these renewable sources meet together, the environmental and social need becomes bearable. The environmental and economic need become viable, and economical and social need become equitable. So that is bearable, viable and equitable. This diagram is main like which illustrate that the particular how the things used to move in the economic, social and environmental development. ये डायग्राम बना लो. That's it in this. इसके बाद तो वही कुछ इन्होंने पैरामीटर्स एंड ऑल दिए हैं. That is more than sufficient for the our topic, that is a application of sustainable renewable sources. Now see, in the last 3 lectures we have just discussed about the energy audit basic, then cleaner productions के क्या principle है, basis है, phases हैं. After that we started application of renewable energy today. We completed it. In our next class means tomorrow we'll go for the appropriate technology. That is the last topic. Then we'll start the next unit. That is going to be there. And appropriate technology also, you need not to be very worried and all. That is nothing. Basically, including, you are like, I must say, energy audit points, how you can go for alternative technology. That is going to be there. Why there is a need for alternative technology, that is going to be there. Then the basic construction activities, guidelines, मूविंग अहेड, ये सब अपन देखेंगे कि इसमें क्या प्रिंसिपल है. जैसे अप्रोप्रिएट टेक्नोलॉजी, उसकी क्या क्राइटेरिया सिलेक्शन है, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर. आफ्टर बिफोर दिस यू फर्स्ट want to know what is where the India or where the countries are moving ahead, what is appropriate technology. A technology is considered appropriate if it solves a social problem without many adverse negative. Appropriate technology for energy saving or energy usage is that particular technology in which social problems भी ना हो और कई चीजों में वो अपना नेगेटिव एडवर्स इफेक्ट ना दिखे. Now we if you have any doubt and anything you can ask. ये अपन कल क्लास में चालू करेंगे. But yes, I recommend you to write down at least the definition and examples. Example of appropriate technologies: renewable energy, smart growth, green buildings. That is going to be there. This para I just suggest you to write down what we mean by appropriate technology. That has been used to cover the wide range of the technology. Basically, it consider if it solves the social problem without many adverse negative. Every new technology has a consequence for society. A technology is appropriate when it is intended positive consequence outweigh its unintended negative consequence. Okay, and every new technology is consequence for the society. A technology is called appropriate when it is intended positively consequence. So energy audit में इसको लेने का रीजन ये है कि after studying renewable energy sources and energy audit consequences and ISO 50001, उसके बाद आप किस चीज को किस तरह से लेते हो. इसमें ये और लिख लो तुम, फिर मैं एंडिंग मीटिंग टुमारो. हाउ डू वी इवैल्यूएट एप्रोप्रिएटनेस, कैसे करेंगे? देयर आर 3 ways of appropriateness. One is a technical, second is a cultural, and third is a economic. ठीक है, इसको और डिटेल में मैं तुम्हें नेक्स्ट क्लास में